Hi, my name is Paul Antonio. I work with Spellbinders and I'm one of their more recent licensed designers. I trained as a calligrapher and heraldic artist, and they brought me in to work on the brand new Glimmer plates, which is a really exciting system. So with the Glimmer plates, what I've done is I've used some of my hand lettering to help produce the designs, and from that we've turned the design into a plate. Now, as you've noticed, as you might see, the plate is a lot thicker than the design, and that's so that when we heat the plate up, put the foil on top of it, and we put the paper on top of that. Once you pull the paper off from the foil, you have the foil foiling this beautiful plate, obviously the right way around. And so I'm here at the show to show people how I came up with some of the designs. So one of the designs I looked at was a happy birthday design. And so the base for that is a copper plate script. And then the other thing that I did was I used, so I'm not going to write the rest of it because I can't talk and write at the same time. So I'm going to add a little bit of a flourish, and out of that flourish I will build the base for the flourishes that I constructed. So you can see where the base design for the happy birthday comes from. Now, because of this kind of work, obviously, you know, there's lots of other kinds of work that I do, and we're looking at some stamps in the near future. And because of the stamps, we've decided to make really complex lettering. I'm just going to grab a piece of card. So I'm going to show you some of the newer forms of lettering that we're planning to use. Of course, we do have to introduce this kind of lettering to the crafting industry because it's not something many people are accustomed to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a ruling pen, which is one of these. And some ink. I'm just going to use some Pelikan 401 ink. Now, this can get a little bit messy. So there we have some ruling pen work. Of course, translating this into stamps is proving a little bit trickier. So it's a really wonderful learning curve, blending traditional calligraphic techniques like the copper plate script. I'll just flip this around. And more contemporary techniques like ruling pen script, and getting that into translated into a stamp for the crafting industry. So we're sort of blending two fields together, calligraphy and stamping, and we just want to get you guys stamping again and really enjoying new techniques and new materials. Thank you very much.